In this example, I have this function f, and I would like to find its derivative. All right, so the first thing I kind of look at here is that I have a rational expression, so I'm going to have to use quotient rule. In the denominator, I'm multiplying these two functions together, this 2x and this e to the x minus 1, so product rule. But it also looks like I have chain rule going on. So, lots of stuff going on. I wonder maybe if there's a way I can simplify this first algebraically before having to use all three rules, product rule, quotient rule, chain rule, all in the same derivative. And it does look like I can. I have e to the 2x in the numerator and e to the x minus 1 in the denominator. I know that when I'm dividing like bases, I can subtract the exponents. So I'm going to take this e to the x minus 1 and move it up to the numerator so that I can combine the exponents. And this x minus 1 will turn into negative x plus 1, and I can combine those exponents. Okay, so simplifying that algebraically first looks like e to the power of x plus 1 all over 2x. And that's a much nicer function to work with. So let's go ahead and find its derivative. I need the quotient rule, which says low times the derivative of the high, so 2x times the derivative of the numerator. So this is chain rule. So the derivative of x plus 1 will just be 1, and then times e to the x plus 1. Minus high, which is e to the x plus 1, times derivative of the low, so times 2, all over the low, or the square of the denominator there. Okay, so at this point, it's time to just do some simplification. The calculus part's done anyway. So it looks like I have 2x times e to the x plus 1 minus 2 e to the x plus 1 all over 4x squared. So I could factor some stuff out of the numerator, kind of make that a little nicer. Each expression has a 2, and each expression has an e to the x plus 1. And when I do that, it looks like I'll have an x minus 1, so that's 4x squared. And then it's nice because the 2 and the 4 can cancel, leaves me with a 2 right there. So it looks like my final derivative in a simplified form will be e to the x plus 1 times the quantity x minus 1 all over 2x squared. So there's your derivative.